This beautiful 1956 Olympia SM3 typewriter has a new rubber platen installed, it has been fully restored, and it is ready to type. This beautiful Olympia SM3 typewriter is in near mint condition. There's really nice brown keys. The finish on it is in great shape. Still has a nice texture to it. Nice brown collar. There's very few blemishes on it. Just a slight mark here. And above the platen, there's a spot where it's been a smooth spot where the texture's worn away just a little bit right here. Oh, and then it does have new platen rubber, of course. I'm also including with this typewriter a free extra ribbon and a reprinted user's manual, as well as the original case, which is in great condition. It's been repainted, just like the original. It looks really nice. I do not have a key for it. It has new rubber feet on the bottom of it. That's for the 1956 Olympia SM3.